sound.
Okay. Say hi, Isabel.
How is it small?
We'll do the animal sounds.
The earth animal sound.
Okay. What does the cow say?
Moo.
What does the horse say? What does the cat say?
Meow. Meow.
What does the chicken say?
Pop pop.
What does the bird say?
Chip chip.
What does the duck say?
Flash flash.
What does the snake say? What does the bee say? Bee? Buzz. What does
Sissy.
what does Chansey say? The
Meow.
cat.
Meow.
What does the dog say?
Ow ow. A mouse. A mouse.
Okay. What does the frog say?
What?
What does the monkey say? What does the lion say? What does the rooster say? Okay, can you sing Pen Pen Desara Pen?
Yeah, I did do it.
Pen Pen Desara Pen. Come on, man.
Wait, only wait.
Okay, say bye-bye to Isabel now.
Bye.
See you next time.
If it's last time.